very happy and excited to get this transplant done. To be honest, after doing the surgery, the pain was negligible.
So in today's case, we're going to do a hairline transplant. In a lot of cases, बहुत बार क्या होता है, जो temple area होता है और जो forehead area होता है वो बड़ा होने लगता है. बहुत बार hair loss पीछे नहीं होता है. तो ऐसे केसेस में हम क्या करते हैं, हम सजेस्ट करते हैं you can do a hairline transplant to cover the temple area and the forehead, ताकि जो आपका बहुत बड़ा forehead होता है उसको थोड़ा साइज कम कर सकते हैं और जो रिसीविंग temple area है जो आप वीडियो में देख सकते हो वो पीछे चले गया है, उसके हम आगे लाने वाले हैं. अब ऐसे केसेस में approximately as far as the number of grafts are concerned, maybe you will need around 1500 to 2500 to 3000. That totally depends कि कितना area receive हुआ है और आपका donors area कैसा है. So in this case, patient has very good donor area. उनका head texture भी काफी बेबी है, बेबी होने की वजह से कवरेज थोड़ा ज्यादा मिलता है और उनका बैक एरिया भी है जो आप वीडियो में देख सकते हो, वो डोनर एरिया काफी अच्छा है. सो आई थिंक वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट डिसेंट रिजल्ट्स. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर कंफ्यूज्ड कि फ्रंट में क्या मुझे नॉन सर्जिकल हेयर रिप्लेसमेंट करना चाहिए या सर्जिकल. सो वी ऑलवेज सजेस्ट दैट इफ योर डोनर एरिया इज गुड एट द बैक और जो ट्रांसप्लांटेड एरिया जो आपको कवर करना है, जैसे आप वीडियो में देख सकते हो, वो अगर बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, then non-surgical may not be the best option because maintenance बहुत high हो जाता है. You can get the transplant done because once you get the transplant done in the front, आपका hairline का जो issue है वो lifetime खत्म हो जाता है. So I think it's an excellent option if you choose a transplant, a surgical option. We'll make you go through the entire process so that you understand that क्या exactly process होता है, कितना area हम cover करने वाले हैं, कितने grafts हम डालने वाले हैं, and we'll also show you the process that after 4 days, after 10 days. So a lot of questions we will answer in this video. Step 1 is we've done the marking. हमने decide किया है with the patient that okay which is the area that we going to cover. If you notice जो area किया हुआ है वो हमने थोड़ा सा receding अभी भी रखा हुआ है because at the age of 39 obviously you don't have a straight hairline. तो हमने अभी भी थोड़ा receding रखा हुआ है so that it looks natural once it starts growing out. It shouldn't look too obvious. ऐसा नहीं कि आप 20-22 साल जैसा hairline shape हमने design किया है. So designing of hairline is also a very integral part of hair transplant. Step 2, we're going to trim that area जहाँ पे donors area है. अब बहुत बार ये confusion होता है कि मुझे bald होना पड़ेगा, नहीं होना पड़ेगा. Now in his case, we are not going to shave off the entire head. हम सिर्फ extraction area जो है उसको trim करने वाले हैं और जो hairline area है वो वैसे भी वहाँ पे strands नहीं है. So हम बहुत हल्का सा उसको थोड़ा सा trim करने वाले हैं ताकि जब हम transplant कर रहे हैं वो एरिया क्लीन मिल जाए सर्जन को. सो टेक्निकली वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू शेव ऑफ द टॉप एरिया. ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपका जो एरिया ऊपर होता तो शायद हमको वो करना पड़ता, बट इनके केस में हम सिर्फ हेयरलाइन को ऐड कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल नॉट नीड टू शेव ऑफ द एंटायर एरिया, जस्ट द एक्सट्रैक्शन एरिया. After that, we're going to give you the local anesthesia to numb that area. जब हम ट्रांसप्लांट जो फॉलिकल्स निकालते हैं, टू अवॉइड दैट पेन, हम सिर्फ वो एरिया को इंजेक्ट करेंगे ताकि वो एरिया पूरा नम हो जाए. नाउ टेक्नोलॉजी इज एडवांस्ड एंड वी डोंट यूजुअली गिव दैट जनरल एनेस्थेसिया आल्सो, so that extraction area only will be numb, so it will not be as painful. Only जब इंजेक्शन दे रहे हैं तभी आपको थोड़ा सा पेन होगा. That's about it. After that, that area becomes completely numb. You won't feel the pain when the extraction is going on. After the extraction, we arrange the graft that we've extracted. After that, we will be numbing the area where we're going to fix it. जो आप वीडियो में देख सकते हो, अभी जो हेयरलाइन एरिया है वहाँ पे हम उसको इम्प्लांट करने वाले हैं. सो इन सेशन 2 वो एरिया को हम नम कर देंगे वापस एंड वी विल स्टार्ट इम्प्लांटिंग. जो ग्राफ्स हमने निकाला था सेशन 1 में वो फिर हम लोग इम्प्लांट कर देंगे हेयरलाइन में सेशन 2 में. So now initially you all saw the day of the surgery. Now this is day 4. All the redness has disappeared. You can see the hairline in the front, it's gone darker. So today what we're going to do is, today the 4th day, we're going to remove the bandage at the back and you'll get to see how does it look from the back. So once the bandage comes off, you have 2 options. If you've seen, I have only shaved the area where we have extracted from. So what happens is there are 2 options. If you're not going out or just basically saying that okay, you've done the transplant, then we can remove the bottom part as well. If you don't want to tell anybody that you've done the transplant, another option is, a lot of cases what we do is we again put a dry bandage and cover that area for another 7 days. Now what happens is, when you wear it for another 7 to 10 days, the bandage, that area is covered and rest of the hair we will still keep it long the way it is. So what happens is it blends. Once after 15 days when your hair grows out, then we can go for a shorter haircut on the sides and the back and still keep the top long, so it will blend beautifully. Now in his case, he's comfortable telling people that okay, he has done the transplant. So in this case, what we're going to do is, the area, the perimeter area that we left the hair, that we're going to trim it. So we will do a haircut in such a way that it just blends and it doesn't look like we've only trimmed that particular area. So let's have a look.
I am very happy and excited to get this transplant done. Initially, I had a fear that it's going to pain a lot, but to be honest, after doing the surgery, the pain was negligible. On the first day, I could hardly count 7 to 8 pricks, which was little painful, which I noticed, and that was 7 to 8, not more than that. And today's the 3rd day and I'm completely fine. I resume my work and everything is good to go. Thank you.